Sylvester, I gotta do online schooling. Get the hell off that.
Fuck off.
No, don't start licking your ass. Come on. Oi. Hey, Sylvester. That noise. It's so loud. Stop doing that. Sylvester. There we go. Alright, now get off the bed. I gotta do online schooling.
Wait, you do?
Yeah, I do. Now get the hell off. No, don't start licking your ass. That's disgusting. Get off the bed. This isn't a matter of... Oh, get off. Don't lick your ass. Just get off.
My ass tastes good.
No, that doesn't mean lay down.
In my language, it does.
Aren't you a little brat? Hey, stop making that noise. Hey, do you know how I can get Sylvester off my bed? Because I got to do online schooling and he's being a dick and he won't let me, go to the keyboard or anything.
Beat the shit out of her?
Oh my god, that's so dark for your tone of voice. Yeah, of course you don't finish. Not even going to give you pets this time. Not even gonna give you pets. Look who finally decided to come off the keyboard.
Me.
Little bastard.
Motherfucker, I ain't little.
Yeah, you are little. He's so annoying. Hey, Smudge. What you doing?
Existing.
So, no, you're gonna rub against my leg? Isn't that nice? Pretty nice day to be outside, hey?
Yep.
Not that cold. Hey, where you going? Oh, don't tell me you're gonna do what Sylvester does. Are you the one who taught her that?
The over there fence thing? Yeah.
Oh, bastard. Can you maybe, stop doing that? Because Sylvester's doing it a lot.
Nope, I'm proud.
Of course you're proud. They're definitely not running out of food anytime soon, hey? Mike, do you have any damn clue where Sylvester is?
Mm-mm.
Me either. There you are! Why the hell have you been out recently?
Bored.
Don't sniff me. What, you laying on your back now?
Mm-hmm.
No, don't you two start fighting.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright. Peaceful, huh? Being peaceful? Nope, running away. Sylvester, what are you doing?
Eating the weed?
Don't eat the damn grass. No, I said don't. We talked about this. Don't eat the grass. It makes you throw up, and your your kitten throw up's all sloppy. Stop it. Don't eat the rocks either. What is it, like weed to you?
Mm-hmm.
You just started shaking your head. This isn't marijuana. This isn't marijuana, weed, whatever you want to call it. This isn't that. You're acting like it's catnip or something. It's just grass and it just makes you throw up. Oh, now you're going in between there. You know what? I can come in there too. Ha ha ha. I can come in too. I'm not even going to close the gate properly because you're just going to slide out again. Aww. Being all cute now? Yes, you are. You are cute. No. Hey. Oh. Don't. I hate those noises and you know it. Little brat. Alright, I'll see you later, I guess. Don't eat the grass, I swear. Don't you do it. Good. What the hell? Sylvester, don't do it. Do not do it. Don't eat the grass. Yeah. That's what I thought. You can go across it, just not eat it. Don't eat it. Just come out and not eat the grass. Yep, that's right, come out. Oh. Guess I'll leave you to that. Just don't go over there, she's gone insane. She's like eating the grass and all.